Appreciate you bringing your truck, and always good to see you.
Great seeing you. Can't wait to discuss these units today.
Well, you know my story. You've talked to me before. I used to operate these trucks. Been here 20 years. I'm now a manager. These are LPG UniCarrier gas trucks, and they seem to do the job in our application, which, as you know, is outdoors in our yard.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a discussion point we've had in previous conversations. And really what we're here to do today is kind of help to contrast that and see how it is that this unit can really mirror that performance and bring you that same capability, pacing, and style that it is you're used to.
Okay. Well, the size looks similar. Looking at this, I know we're about 100 inches long, and is yours actually shorter?
Yeah, this truck is actually going to be significantly more compact when we compare them. And also to that point, it's going to have more maneuverability due to that fact and some other interesting attributes.
Well, you know we're using LPG gas, okay? That can be costly. It's a fossil fuel. We've got our cages outdoor and all that stuff like that. We use 35-pound tanks, which weigh somewhere around 70 pounds and hold about 8 gallons of fuel. Now, I think the going price is around $4 per gallon plus carrying charges, environmental fees. So we're talking $40 to $45 every time we change one of those LPG tanks.
Sure, so right away you hit on something that I'd like to touch on is the ergonomics of all this. Without actually having to deal with something like that and those swaps, we have much cleaner ergonomics. There's no conditions of weight like that. We don't have to store it in a cage outdoors. We don't have to worry that way. Then you hit on cost, which I'd be glad to actually address as well. You'll find that charging a battery in this sense is a lot cheaper as it goes per usage than it would be to refill propane.
Well, that's interesting. I mean, we're always looking at our bottom line.